Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Survival English. Today, Emma has a big problem. She needs a new apartment. But finding a good place is not easy. Some apartments are too expensive, some are too small, and some are too far away. Let's follow Emma on her journey.
Hey, Emma. You look tired.
Hi, Daniel. Yeah, I am.
What's wrong?
I need to move.
Really? Why?
My apartment is too expensive.
How much is your rent?
It's $900 a month.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, and it's not even big.
That's not good.
I need something cheaper. And maybe bigger.
When do you need to move?
Next month.
That's soon.
I know. I'm a little stressed.
Rent. Expensive. Cheap. Move. Stressed. Useful sentences. My apartment is too expensive. I need something cheaper. I need to move.
Let me check online.
Good idea.
Here is one.
What does it say?
Small studio. $600 a month.
That's better.
Yes, much better.
Where is it?
Near the city centre.
That's a great location.
Yes, close to my work.
Perfect.
Wait, the pictures.
What about them?
The room looks very small.
That's a problem.
But maybe it's okay.
You should visit it.
Yes, I will call the agent.
Studio. Location. Picture. Small. Center. Useful sentences. Where is it? That's a good location. It looks small.
Hello?
Hi, I'm calling about the apartment.
Yes, it is available.
Great. Can I see it?
Of course.
When?
Tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, step 1 done.
Call. Available. Tomorrow. See. Useful sentences. I'm calling about the apartment. Is it still available? Can I see it? When can I visit? See you tomorrow.
Hello, are you Emma?
Yes, I am.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Please come in.
It's small.
Agent. Apartment. Come in. Meet. Useful sentences. Nice to meet you. Please come in. I'm here to see the apartment. It looks nice.
This is the living area.
Okay.
And here is the kitchen.
It's very small.
Yes, but it has everything. And this is the bedroom.
Oh, it's tiny.
Yes, but it is cozy.
Is there a closet?
Yes, right here.
It's very small too.
This apartment is best for one person.
I understand.
Living area. Kitchen. Bedroom. Tiny. cozy, closet. Useful sentences. This is the living area. It's very small. Is there a closet? It's cozy.
Is water included?
Yes, water is included.
That's good. What about electricity?
Electricity is not included.
Okay. And internet?
You need to pay for internet.
Is it expensive?
Not very.
Okay.
Water, electricity, internet, included, pay. Useful sentences. Is water included? Electricity is not included. Do I need to pay for internet? Is it expensive?
How much is the rent?
It is $600 per month.
Are there any extra fees?
Yes, a small maintenance fee.
How much?
About $30.
Okay. Is there a deposit?
Yes, 1 month rent.
I see.
Rent, fee, deposit, month. Useful sentences. How much is the rent? Are there any extra fees? Is there a deposit? How much is the deposit?
Is the price flexible?
A little.
My budget is $550.
That is low.
I understand, but I really like the location.
Let me think. Okay, $580. That is my final price.
Okay, I will think about it.
Price, budget, flexible, final. Useful sentences. Is the price flexible? My budget is $550. That is too expensive. I will think about it.
So, how was it?
It was okay.
Just okay?
It's cheap, but very small.
Do you like it?
I'm not sure.
Is the location good?
Yes, very good.
That's important.
Yes, but I want comfort too.
That's true.
Comfortable. Sure. Location. Important. Useful sentences. Do you like it? I'm not sure. The location is good. I want something comfortable.
It's not perfect, but it's affordable. And the location is great. I think I will take it.
Decision. Affordable. Perfect. Think. Useful sentences. It's not perfect. It's affordable. I will take it. I think it's a good choice. Great job today. You learned rent, apartment, utilities, budget, price, deposit, location, comfortable. Important sentences. How much is the rent? Is water included? Is the price flexible? I need something cheaper. I will think about it. Finding a home is not easy, but asking the right questions helps a lot. See you next time!